first opened up our offices here in Aberdeen in 2014 with a small sales team and an operational team. We've now a fully purpose-built warehouse where we can support our customers globally. Our new purpose-built antenna farm can help us showcase our LEO, GEO and MEO capabilities. This allows us to support our customers with critical communications in the government, maritime and energy sectors. But what sets us apart here at Marlink is our team of field engineers who are here to support the customers no matter what the challenge, no matter where in the world.
We have a fantastic facility here for doing customer demonstrations and for doing factory acceptance tests as well. We can really show the customers exactly what's happening with their solutions and what we're capable of doing. We can do an awful lot with this space. We can test new firmware before rolling it out to our customer solutions. We can look at new cyber and OT solutions, test new vendor hardware, and can aid troubleshooting. If we've got an issue in a customer solution out there, we can replicate that on our network here and help us troubleshoot it and find the resolution quicker. And lastly, this facility is connected to all other facilities of Marlink around the world. So anybody from any of the global offices can remote into this office and make use of these facilities as well to help with testing, customer demos or anything else like that.